what does it take to create something that endures? A legacy.
And the international team, for the first time, has captured the Presidents Cup.
It all starts with hard work, commitment to a cause. With every strike of metal, progress. It takes strength. Tempers will be tested.
Just flat out missed it.
Sinews strained.
Well, he just ripped this one.
You need resilience. The journey to mastery is long. But even in the darkest moments,
Well, it's a full point for the Americans.
there are always sparks of light. And the heat of battle forms the strongest bond.
That is exactly the kind of ignition the internationals need.
If you can bring all these elements together and stay the course, then maybe you're forged for greatness.